Does your kitchen look like this? Like this? Do you want it to look like that? Or like that? You do? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're going to be talking about kitchen renovation process. So how do we get from here to here? It's not an easy process, but it takes planning and scheduling and designing. So number one step in our kitchen renovation is knowing why. Why do you want to renovate your kitchen? So we're looking at this design, and obviously the first thing that comes up to us is it's dated. Yes, this kitchen is not looking very pretty. It just served its time. I mean, the cabinets are holding up, the doors are not falling off, but the clients are not happy in general. They want to update it, and since they want to update it, they want to make sure that we are going to do the right thing. In order to know that this is going to be the right design, we need a list of the things that are not working in the kitchen. So this is what I ask you to do. The first thing before you start your renovation, grab a piece of paper and start writing this down. Make notes. What's not working for you in your kitchen? Are you lacking counter space? Are you lacking lighting? Are you lacking storage? Do you want to buy additional appliances? Does the flow of the kitchen is not working? Do you have all these dead space cabinets that you cannot access? Do you have to crawl inside your cabinets and your back is killing you? All of these things are reasons that you want to renovate your kitchen. The reason I picked these clients is because they're very organized. When I came to see them, they had a list of things that are not working for them. Everything was written down. What they want, what's not working, and what they wish but they don't know how. So we sit down together and we started talking. It was much faster process to go through everything while hearing their complaints. And it was much faster for me to come up with this design solution. So right away when I heard them speak, I realized a couple of the things that everybody should start with this. A lot of times when I go to clients' homes and they just want to update their cabinets, but they're not really sure what they want or what's not working, you start thinking about it, and design process takes time. So if you want your renovation to go faster and the process to be smoother, start right now. If you're thinking to renovate someday, well, start writing things down and just seeing what's not working for you today. This way it will speed up the whole thing in the future. So this particular client had a whole list of things that they want to do. Number one is remove the bulkheads. Usually in most of the kitchens there's nothing there. Sometimes you have a pipe, sometimes you have some wiring, sometimes you have things in there if you have a second floor. We are not sure until we open it up. In this particular kitchen, the bulkhead had a heating pipe above the window that's going to the second bedroom. So there's a possibility you have something, but most of the time there is just an empty spot. So if you want to update your cabinets and make it nice and finish it with decorative crown molding, this is a possibility. You write it down. The second biggest thing for them was counter space. They lack counter space. They have family and friends that come over, and on holidays they have a lot of people that are helping inside the kitchen. So they don't fit all inside. So they need additional counter space. And because they had this list right away on the spot, I recommended to them, you know what? The best thing to be is probably to put a peninsula for you guys. This way you'll have some additional storage as well as additional counter space, and you could have possibly an overhang for people to sit down and enjoy their breakfast coffee. And when you have a holiday, this could be a serving table. So I recommended for them to put a cardboard box and just build their peninsula and start living with that and seeing how they feel. Again, this is while I'm designing their kitchen, speeding up the process and already letting them adjust to the new layout and see how they like it. Maybe they're not gonna like the peninsula. Then we have to go into a different route and try to fit an island. In this situation, island would be possible, but it would be very skinny, and I don't think it would fit what they like to do. So look at your space like that. Divide it into zones. Think of, when are you guys cooking? Are you bumping into each other? Are you looking and not finding things? Do you need more drawer space? Do you have to crawl inside your dead spaces and your back is hurting? All of these things, just keep writing them, putting them on a list. It will improve your design process and move your renovation forward much faster. These clients prefer to have 2 dishwashers, 2 ovens, and 2 microwaves. And then we try to fit it into the design. It's very important to understand what you need, because appliances take a lot of space. And in order to fit them, we need to find a spot. And sometimes when you work on a design and then you decide that you want some other appliances instead, you have to redesign the whole thing, which again delays the design process and again delays your renovation. So in this situation, we had a list. The clients knew what they want, and then after we designed the space and we sit down with them and we reviewed the whole list, it was much faster. So please write things down and find your reasons why you want to renovate your kitchen and make it look not just pretty but functional and make the whole family enjoy it. We would love to hear from you and see what's your challenges in your kitchen design process, in your renovation process. Are you writing things down? If you need help with your renovation process and you'd like to have a list of questions to help you figure out your why, please comment below and we will send you a copy to your email to guide you and help you make the process easier, faster, and more exciting. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. We're going to be coming up with all kinds of kitchen renovation videos and design ideas and solution, and we're going to be going into more details regarding this particular kitchen, how much it costs, how long it took, and customer feedback. Again, have a wonderful day and all the best. Have fun with your renovation.